You ever been wrapping a fitting with Teflon tape and you actually accidentally drop the roll and it rolls across the floor and unrolls all the tape? Hate it when that happens. That's not what this video is about though. For a long time I wanted to put a retractable hose reel in the shop here. I do have a pretty long hose on my compressor. I've got it kind of wound up, but every time I pull it out to do something outside and front, then I got to kind of just roll it back up. So I've wanted to put a retractable hose reel up quite a while. I've looked at different ones from Northern Hydraulics, from Harbor Freight, different places on Amazon. I've had good luck with some of the different products that I've gotten from Vevor. So I decided to use the Vevor one, and I've got it right here and yonder bracket. So this bracket will go on the wall. This thing's heavy, so it's going to be interesting putting this up by myself. I've got a couple holes drilled and lag bolts in where I'm going to mount this, which I'll show you here later. But now I need to mount this to this, and for that we've got these little bolts with shoulders in them that will allow this here to swivel on this bracket and still be able to pull in and out. Whether or not this hose whip is going to be long enough to reach one of the outlets of my compressor, I don't know. My compressor is right on the other side of the wall, but I don't know if this will be long enough because I'm mounting this up high by the ceiling. So first I need to get this mounted to this. This also comes with anchors if you were going to put it in concrete or something like that, but I'm going into a wood post. Well, it seemed like a good idea. So I have to do it the old-fashioned way. This end did not come on, by the way. I put this on to match all my other air fittings here. So now I need to see if my hose will reach my compressor, which is just right here. Well, I don't hear any leaks. Well, at some point I may look at rerouting this hose a little differently, but for right now, this will be great. So I can work this outside wherever I need it, and then when I'm done, just pull that and not let it slam back, but let it go back nice and easy. So yep, that'll work. Yeah, we'll see how well this works. Yep, that'll be great. Probably have to do something about this here because there's a chair down here that my wife likes to sit in and when we're shipping, and that'll be smack her in the head. So I suppose I need to lay that up there for now. Time to take a break. Yeah, that thing, that's pretty hefty. It appears to be very, very well built. Other than the weight, it would have been nice to have a second person here to help set that up on the lag bolts and get them started in there, but we got it. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description on where to get this on Amazon. Nice rig, made by Vevor. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. I know this will help me not having to deal with trying to wind that air hose up all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.